Good day, everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back, guys. I want to say a very big thank you to everyone who watched my previous video. It was actually my first video on YouTube. I want to say a very big shout out to you guys. Thank you guys for watching it. We had over 500 views on my first video, and this is going to be my second video on market analysis. So without any delay, I'll I'll be jump I'll be analyzing some pairs. I'll be looking on some pairs today, and I will also explain what has been happening to the S&P 500 and most JPY pairs. So guys, without any further delay, let's start. So guys, this is S&P 500 on a monthly time frame. So like I said in my previous video, my overall target for the S&P 500 was at this blue zone. I had a buy trade around this area. I had a buy trade around this area, around this region. I had a buy trade around this region, but the market just came down. I don't know why the market came down. Maybe the market wasn't ready. So the market came down. I plotted the demand zone here, and when the market came into this area, we moved to the upside. So I can remember clearly, few days after I did my analysis, few days after I made a post on updated my first YouTube video. Oh gosh. Few days after I updated my first YouTube video, something happened, like something very bad happened. I think it was on the first. It was on the first. Yes, first on the 1st of August. Yeah, I can remember 1st, 5th, and 6th of August. So something happened. We took a buy trade here. Because the market met all my confluence. We took a buy trade here. My first level target was supposed to be at this level. Then my overall target was supposed to be at the next blue zone. But the market just came down. I don't know why, but I think it was because of the financial. We had like a little financial crisis during this era, and when we were pulling back, like people were very scared. People were like, okay, I think S&P 500 is about to reverse to the downside. So what I just did was I plotted out my demand zones and my key regions, possible areas where the S&P 500 will reject or will actually retrace to. So I kept this area. I plotted out another one around this area. There was another zone around this area, and I said to myself, okay, peradventure, if S&P 500 actually wants to reverse, we should come into this place. If we break this area and this area doesn't hold, we should come into this place. If we break this area and this area doesn't hold, we should come into this place. So for me, cause I didn't actually see any sign of any trend reversal. I didn't see any form of trend reversal. Cause guys, look at what was happening. We're making series of higher highs. I've been making series of higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher. Okay, let me see, higher high, and this is low, higher high. The market didn't put in a equal high or any chart pattern or any reversal pattern. In essence, double top or double bottom or head and shoulder. The market didn't form anything like that. We just retraced to the downside. So for me, the lesson I learned from taking this loss was that the market was not ready then. The market wanted to actually retrace. The market was actually going for a bigger retracement. So if I draw this wave now, if I draw the bigger retracement wave, it will look like this. It will look like this. Where is this guy? This guy. So if I draw the bigger retracement wave, it will look like this. Like this. Impulse. Then retracement leg. So guys, and another thing, when the market was retracing, like people thought, okay, S&P 500 is about to reverse to the downside. This is going to be the biggest crash in history, blah blah blah, and all those stuff. For me, I brought out my Fibonacci. played from swing low to swing high. So this was actually a golden area. This was actually a Willy zone, and I think if I draw my trend line, it also aligns with it. So if I zoom out and draw my trend line, yeah, something like this. So I wasn't scared, because okay, even if S&P 500 wants to reverse, break this area, okay, show me that okay, you're actually reversing, break this area, retest and continue pulling back. Although when this candle was actually forming, I thought okay, we're actually going to come to this area, but immediately I saw this bullish engulfing candle, I had a buy trade there, which I will show you guys now. I had a buy trade there, but I don't know why I didn't take it. Maybe because of late timing. Before I could, I think I should just go to a 4 hour time frame. So before I could up on the trade, I think the trade has already left. The market has already left me then. So, but I saw a trade. And I also saw another one around this area at the break of counter trend line. So look at what happened. So we took a buy trade around this. It was this area. We took a buy trade around this area. The market met all our confluence. This was actually a Willy zone. This was actually a Willy zone setup. So we took a buy trade around this area. We were expecting the market to roll over to this side, but the market just came to this area, and reversed. I don't know why we reversed. So I did something similar. That I did same thing I did around this area. I noticed that the market formed the double top. Okay, the market was creating, because now this is actually 4 hour time frame. This is actually downtrend. So what I'm currently showing you guys is how I got my second entry around this level. So this is actually a downtrend, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high. So I said to myself, okay, because on a monthly time frame, I saw a bullish engulfing candle. I saw a bullish candle that traded above this yellow zone. So I said to myself, okay, let's go to a 4 hour time frame and see if the market structure or if the trend has been broken. So this was actually, I think I should move the line chart. Okay, yeah, so this was a swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high. So I said to myself, okay, if we can clear the previous swing high, I think if we can clear the previous swing high, consolidate, retest and show some bullish confirmations, I think S&P 500 is good to go. So I drew out, I marked out this area, I marked out this level as at then, and I said to myself, all right, I think the only way we should be moving to the upside, because guys, if you draw your counter trend line on the S&P 500, if you draw a counter trend line, it looks like this. Like it will take forever to be broken. Like this is far away from this area. Now imagine placing your trade here and putting your SL here, and your first level target comes here. No, so I actually derived a strategy, or derived another entry method for taking trades like this. So okay, I said to myself, let's come back. By the way, if you actually don't check my previous video, I think if you're actually new to my channel, check my previous video, because I explained everything. I actually explained from remote. I did a thorough top-down analysis on the S&P 500 earlier, so I think you should check out the video. I will drop a link. I'll put a link around somewhere, so you should check out that video, because I did a thorough explanation on what I did a thorough top-down analysis on the S&P 500. So let's continue. So I said to myself, okay, this is actually a downtrend on the higher time frame. The only way I would be like looking for buys, even though I saw a bullish engulfing candle on a monthly time frame above this yellow zone, I said to myself, okay, the only way I'll be taking this trade is if we can clear the previous high, or just those people that know do this thing now, market structure shift and blah blah blah. I said to myself, okay, let's just wait for a market structure break or market structure shift. So I saw the market traded above the previous swing high, and tested. This was actually break and retest. I saw this consolidation. I was supposed to take my entry here. My entry was supposed to be at this level, my stop loss was supposed to be beneath. Like same thing we did here. Break of structure. We cleared the previous high. We retest. We had a retest on a yes. I did we have no. So I took this trade at the break of. I used a counter trend line break on this trade. On this, yeah, a break of counter trend line. I entered around this area. My stop loss was around here, and I was actually expecting this market to retest the previous high. Then I will add to my position with a smaller stop loss. But unfortunately, guys, the markets actually wiped out everything. So guys, I didn't actually cry. I didn't cry because I knew a lot of people lost. Like Bloomberg, they said me, like I knew a lot of people lost. Jesus, people lost money around this era. I was just receiving news from X, from Bloomberg News, and blah blah blah. So trillion wiped out from the stock market today. So trillion wiped out from the stock market today. This that. I just said to myself, thank God those not me lose all this money. At least the small three figure or the small four figures so I lose. God is still with me. So guys, so like I said, my entry was supposed to be around this area. My stop loss was supposed to be around here, and my first level targets was supposed to be around this area. But guys, I missed the entry, and I don't think I should be bragging about that because I actually missed the entry. Was there's no need to do the analysis without actually taking any trade. So what's next on the S&P 500? Because talking about the past won't help your bank account or won't help your trading account. So let's talk about the future. What is actually going to happen? Like what's next for the S&P 500? So for me, I think the S&P 500 is too linear. This move is too linear. I will actually be looking for some retracements, maybe retracement to some minor zone around this level or this. Okay, just wait for some retracement around this area or this area. Any of them, I'm looking for some retracements. If I find any, I will take a screenshot and I will upload it on my X page. So for those of you, so guys, I actually have a X page, account, a personal account, and we just crossed 3,000 followers. I want to say very big shout out to every one of you from X. I appreciate. So if you're not following me on X, go on X and search for Michael Caesar, same name and same spelling and everything. Search for Michael Caesar and give me follow, because if this market actually wants to reverse, I won't be uploading the video every day. So I'll just take a screenshot, upload it on my X page, and drop some instructions there. So for me, I'll be waiting for some retracement on the S&P 500. If this guy not give me retracements, I won't be buying. I won't be picking tops. I won't be buying. But I think the overall picture for the S&P 500 is still bullish. Else, unless this reversal pattern. Okay, now if the S&P 500 actually wants to reverse, I think this should be your time. Use this chart pattern and reverse. If you have the mind, if you truly get that mind, use this chart pattern. I've given you the opportunity. Use this equal high and double top to reverse yourself to the downside. So this is actually a major zone. So if you are actually trading the S&P 500 at the moment, I think you should be moving yourself to break even, because this is actually a sensitive part. But if we clear this area, if I can see weekly candle close, a bullish candle close above this area, next level target for the S&P 500 X all the way to this new zone. If I can see a clear break of the previous high. I can see clear break of the previous high. Next level target for the S&P 500 is around will be 6,000 basis points. Is it basis? Yes, basis points will be around 6,000 basis points. But for now, I'll be waiting. If the S&P doesn't give me a retracement on a lower time frame, I will actually wait for a break of the previous high, then look for a retest before opening on a buy trade. So guys, that's not. I'm not here for the S&P 500. I'm actually here for something bigger. So our guy for today is USDCAD. This is our guy for today. It's been a while since I traded this. Like, I don't even know if I've about USDCAD, if I ever traded this pair. I don't know, guys. I know it's been a very long time. So I'll just move over to a higher time frame. So I delete all my tools. I think I should remove these drawings. So I'll do a quick top-down analysis on USDCAD. Then I want to actually explain what's happening on a higher time frame. So this USDCAD on a monthly time frame, if you check the price action, we're actually creating higher highs and higher lows. We approach this area, market reversed. Market was actually ranging around this area. We approach it again, market reversed, and we approach it again. And the market is currently consolidating around this level. So for me, I think this area, not that I think this area actually holds. There are a lot of selling pressure at this region, and you don't want to play with it, you don't want to joke with it. So this area is actually a strong level, and you don't want to play with it. So I think that's all. that's all. So guys, so let's draw our levels. Should I bring back the others? I think I should bring back others. Yeah. I'll just hey, good. This guy wants to training me won't keep me with ads. I think I should renew my subscription. I actually don't use it. I actually don't use this subscription for anything. I don't back this. I don't back this every time. Maybe once in a while or once in a few weeks. So on USDCAD, like I said, there's actually a strong support level, a strong resistance level around this area, and the market approached it the first time, came to the downside. We approached it the second time, we came to the downside, and now it's looking like the market is currently approaching it, and we are currently forming oh god, sorry guys, I think I'll actually start again. So all right, before you continue watching the video, I want to quickly show you something. So this is Marvin Prop Trading. And on Marvin Prop, we currently offer the lowest price in the industry. You can see the easiest prop firm to get funded. You can get your account with as low as $15. Yes, $15. Just $15. You can get a prop firm account of 2K for just $15. A two-step account with just $15. You can get a 2K account. You will also, like, you have the ability to choose between two platforms. For the MasterTrader platform, the price for the MasterTrader platform is actually $15. For the CTrader, $35. If you move to 5K, our 5K account for $19, you can get a 5K account. For CTrader, $39 account. For a 10K account, you can get a 10K account with just $38. With $38, you can get a 10K account. With $76, you can get a a 20k account, guys. Like, you won't find this anywhere. You can't, you won't, and you will never find this type of price anywhere. So I want you guys to quickly check. I will actually add the link, or you can just click on my go to my X page and check my bio. My link is there. I will also drop it here. I'll also drop it on the comments. So check the comments. I'll drop it on the comment. I'll pin it around the description or around whatever for you to register. And also, aside from our price, aside from Marvin offering you a cheap price, you can also use my discount code to get 6% off on your first purchase. Charles Genius is the code. So I will, if you actually want to make, if you're actually serious, if you are actually a serious trader, I will recommend you get a Profim now from Marvin. You can go for the big guy. You can get a 100k account with $249. You can get 2, you can get 3, you can get 4, you can get 5, you can get 6, you can get 7, you can get 8, you can get 9, you can get 10, whatever. So I want you guys to quickly click on the link, go and get a Profim. Let me crack my bones. So like I said, this area is actually a strong resistance level. So market came to this area, we rejected, came to this area, rejected, and we are currently rejecting around this level. So this market for me, because if you guys check on the higher time frame, we have been trending to the upside, but the market has failed to continue that trend to the upside. The market has been consolidating around this area for the longest, for the past this like for this 2014, 2024. Close to 10 years now. The market has been consolidating on a higher time frame. It has been in a very nasty range on the higher time frame, but something actually happened here. So aside from the fact that the market has been consolidating on the higher time frame, we're actually making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher high, low, equal high. We failed to break higher, low. Market attempted again, tried again, no, and now we are actually a bearish engulfing candle on a monthly time frame. So I think, okay, number one confluence should be the reason I am actually bearish on USD should be bearish engulfing candle, engulfing candle on a monthly time frame. So my number one confluence is actually the bearish engulfing candle on a monthly time frame. So aside from that, I've seen a bearish engulfing candle on a monthly time frame on a strong resistance point. So this is actually minor resistance. So this is actually minor resistance, a minor demand or support level. Anyone way one column, okay. So this actually is strong, a strong level. So market came into this area, rejected, and now we are currently rejecting it. So guys, this 2 a.m, this 3:46 a.m, mind that time you guys are sleeping and I'm up shooting the video. So like I said, we're creating, like, the market was actually in an uptrend. We're actually moving to the upside. The market was actually trending to the upside. We're creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher high. I was expecting this market to like create a low, then continue like moving to the upside to attack this next level resistance. But the market came to this area, we failed to create another. The market actually tested it first here, we failed to create on that high. Market tested it here, we failed to create on that high. The market tested it here, failed to create on that one and another high. From baby pips 101. Once you see something like this is actually a triple bottom, a triple top. Once you see something like this wait for the break, wait for the neckline to be taken off. Once the neckline is broken, it actually confirms our trend and our change in trend. But guys, I saw something on a weekly time frame. So our first confluence on a higher time frame is actually, I think we have two confluence. Number one, the bearish engulfing candle on the higher on a monthly time frame. Number two, the shall I say, the equal highs that the market created at a strong resistance at a strong level. So we have to confluence the bearish engulfing candle on the monthly time frame, the equal highs at a strong level, and also okay, I actually thought we've broken, and also if you I'll actually take you guys on a lower time frame. And also if we break this trend line, guys, if we can clear this trend line, next level target for USD will be around this level. Like there's nothing stopping us from coming to this area. There's nothing stopping us. So from the higher time frame, I've seen that okay, the market has failed to create, like has been trying for how many years now. We have been trying since October 2022. We tried our best. The market tried again around March 2022. We tried again October 2023. Tried again April 2024. Tried again August 2024. But this zone is too strong for the market to break. The zone is too strong for the market to break. So for me, the market has actually printed a strong monthly candle, a strong bearish engulfing candle around this area, which signifies that the sellers are back, and they will actually push this market down. So if you can break this zone, guys, next level target for USD first will be 1.30 1.30915 on USD. If you can clear this area, but I want to show you guys something on the daily time frame. So let's go. So on the daily time frame, like USD has been printing same pattern. If you go on a 3 months time frame, you will actually find a triple top. If you come on the monthly time frame, you find a triple top. If you come on a weekly time frame, you find a smaller triple top that's actually reversing the market. And now we are actually on the daily time frame, and you guys can see even around this area we're creating like same pattern, same everything. This is actually on the daily time frame, and this is different from the chart I showed you earlier. So this is actually on the daily time frame. The market has been creating series of higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, blah, higher high, higher low. But the market failed to produce another high. We tried here, but sellers, like this zone, like I said, this area, this level was way too strong for them to break. So the markets actually reversed, and now we have created a reversal pattern on a daily time frame. If you check on the weekly time frame, this is actually a resistance zone. So around this area, the market reversed. The market actually created a reversal pattern, telling us that this level is actually strong. This level is actually big guy. So I think this is our fourth confluence, or this should be our fifth or fourth confluence. The market has created a reversal pattern on the daily time frame, and you don't want to joke with it. But the reversal pattern is only valid if the neckline is if we break the previous swing point or the neckline. That's when a reversal pattern. So if you also check the trend line, like the trend line that has been holding us for quite some time, the market has cleared it. Like the market was like, I don't care, like nobody. And now the only thing holding us, actually, I think I should remove this. Should I remove this zone? I think I should remove it and replace it with something smaller. No, I think I should just leave it around this area. So the only thing holding USD from falling is this area, is this big guy. Guys, if we can clear this guy, if we can clear this guy, I'll be back to update you guys, because this is actually my pay. I will do USDC because I don't actually like. It's been a very long time since I traded USDCD. But guys, if this market can break the previous swing low, that's, break the neckline and give us a retest. No, I don't even need a retest. Just break first. Two of us will settle the issue. We'll settle everything on a lower time frame. Break first. So if I can see a reverse, if I can see a break below the previous swing low, I will actually wait for a retest. Like I said, 12 will settle the beef on a lower time frame. So I'll actually wait. If you can break, I'll go on a lower time frame, look for some retest. But now break, I want to see a clear break on the higher time frame. So if you can, if USDCAD can break the previous low, guys, it's finished. Don't be for this guy, because we have a lot of room to the downside. We have about 700 pips to the downside, and if I zoom out, we have a lot, because this is actually going to play. This is actually a smaller time frame, chart. If I move over to a higher time frame, so okay, market will actually come. If you can break this level, like I said, next level will be this area, will be at this area, which also aligns. Like on the higher time frame, this is now the neckline. So imagine breaking this area, breaking the first neckline, then we rally to the downside, we break the second neckline, which is and this is actually the bigger picture. This is actually the bigger picture, not this. So imagine imagine, you guys should imagine with me. Imagination. So imagine breaking this area now, breaking the bigger guy, then testing it, or just break it first. If you can break this area, guys, for the next 24 months, we'll feast on this guy. So we have a lot of room to the downside. If USDCD, this about 1,200, this about 1,000, this over 1,000 pips to the downside. Guys, you guys should just pray. Let's break. But if we fail to break this level, guys, you guys know what will actually happen. We'll actually we'll go back up. We retrace back to the upside to test this yellow zone. But for now, I'm still waiting. I'm still sitting on my hands. I'm still waiting for this guy to fulfill. Just do your thing, break. And guys, see, because I know some of you, when I will carry line come this area, you guys will place it here. You guys will place a line here and be like, this market don't break now. Then you guys will take a sell trade. No, I don't want that. I actually want USDCAD to give us a clear break on a weekly time frame. This guy should produce a clear candle below this area, around this street. Come and close around this area and tell me, yes, I've cleared this guy. Because this is big level. If you actually take a sell trade and the market reverse, like, you will actually be the one to blame, because the market didn't give you like full authority, full evidence that that's clear this area. So I actually want to see a weekly candle, a clear and a sharp break and close below, and I'll move back to the lower time frame to look for entry. So the entry will be very easy. Just wait for this guy to break. Entry will be easy. Just wait for a break. Entry will be easy. Okay, this is on the 4 hour time frame. Don't have anything to see. So let's go back. I think I should just recap. So on the higher time frame, on the monthly time frame, this is the pattern. This is the triple top on the higher time frame, which is actually reversing this market, which is actually pushing this market back down to the downside. This on the weekly time frame. this on a weekly time frame. So this on a weekly time frame, this is actually the chart pattern pushing us back to the downside, and also there was a trend line around this area. All right, so yes, this is actually the bigger picture on the weekly time frame. So if the market can give me a clear break below this blue level, or below this resistance, or below this neckline, whatever you want to call it, if I can see a clear break, I'll go down or scale down to a lower time frame, look for a retest and sell. But I will actually write this down, because this is a big guy. Let me go. So I will actually write it down on my journal, my trading journal, that yes, there's actually a big trend line. There's actually a big boy. Yeah. But I think what USDCAD wants to do is something like this: pull, respect this guy, retest, and move to the downside. Like I think I'm not the market. I don't move the market, but I trade what I see. I don't trade what I think. So I'm actually going to trade what I see, not what I think. So I think that's that for this USDCAD. For USDCAD, wait for a clear break below this level. Once I see clear break, I'll be back here I'll actually make a video on entry and on the entry strategy. I'll actually give you guys the entry strategy for free. My entry strategy for free. So once we have a clear break beneath this area, I'll look for some. You guys know how we do it, so no long talk. So the next pair on my watch list. This video is already long. So if you check my previous video, I analyzed GBP. I told you guys, check. I told you guys, I said it, that you guys should just check. There's no need to brag. Check. So let me just go ahead to do a quick top down analysis on pound CHF. So on pound CHF, like even a baby will tell you, like, this is actually a downtrend. So I've been making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and when the market was actually retracing to this area, I drew my trend and I was like, okay, this is actually very a big guy, because this level is actually a big guy. Because when I drew it, I found out that the trend line was in confluence with a major zone. So I said to myself, all right, if I can see some bearish reaction, I'll move down to lower time frame, which I did. If you check my previous video, I spoke about pound CHF on my previous video. So we came to this major level. The market created a double top, which signifies a trend reversal on the higher time frame, on the weekly time frame, guys. So the psychology behind it is we have been making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher low. But the market is filled. Like, just continue creating this now. But the market filled. We failed to create a higher high. Instead, we even created. If you check this well, this looks like a lower low from this one. So created a lower low. I said to myself, I told you guys, if we can clear the neckline, guys, we'll bleed to the downside. We did. We came to the downside, and now we're back to the upside. So for me, my bias still stands. I'm still bearish on AUDCHF. I'm still bearish on AUDCHF. But yes, I'm still bearish because this looks like a double top, a retest, and a continuation. I'm still bearish. But the only way I will, be very confident or be taking any trade is if you check my tweets, my last 5 tweets on X, I think I actually made a post on pound CHF. So the only way I'll be bearish on pound CHF is if we can take out this level. If the market can take out this level, because guys, this you don't want to, like, this guy is a big guy. So this looks like a double top break, retest, then continuation. Come and close below. Just like USD I want to see something like this. We need to clear this area because the market can do something like this. Do something like this. So for me, I want to see a bearish engulfing candle, a bearish engulfing candle weekly close below this area. Then I will take my sell trade. Let's go to daily time frame to see what's happening. Yeah, so like I said, this looks like a retest, break, retest, and continuation. From my counter trend line to see. Sharp. This is actually a Willy zone. So if you can break, you can see guys reacted at this area. So if you can break this area, if you can break this level, guys, I don't think we'll have any problem to the downside. I don't think we should have any problem if we clear this area. I don't think we should have any problem if we clear this area. And if I also draw my trading view, not leave me a beg. So my god. So this is actually the counter trend line. This is actually the counter trend line holding this market from falling lower. So same psychology, just wait for it. Market structure shifts on the lower time frame. On the higher time frame, on the monthly time frame, this market has been moving to the downside, but in a lower time frame, you guys can see on the 4-hour time frame, this is actually an uptrend. Just wait for this uptrend to be broken, because we have been creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. This was the previous swing low. So wait for the previous swing low to be taken out. If you take it out, of course, we actually take out this level, this guy, and this guy. So wait for it to be taken out. Your sell trade should come here, SL above this region. You can also wait for more consolidation and open more trades. So I think that's that for today. This video is actually will be a long one actually. So I think that's that for today. Let me quickly recap. There's no need to recap. So let me check AUD USD. I actually have a sell trade running on AUD USD. Took a sell trade around this area. I made a post on my X page. I told you guys if you can break above, retest, next level target should be this area. But I think we are currently having some issues here. But let me check. I see how my sell trade are still open. My first level target is actually here. Although I've moved myself to break even, I've moved it to break even. So ADS should just do its thing, do your thing. I'll be waiting. This GU, pounds USD. So I also made a post on my X page. I told you guys wait for a break. Market structures a change in trend. Also, I've been making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower. This was the previous swing low, and it was I actually missed my entry because I was actually going to take this trade at the break of counter trend line, at the counter trend line break, but I missed it. I said to myself, okay, you can clear the previous swing low, you can previous swing low retest, and if I start seeing some bullish action, I'll take my buy trade and build. Guys, we did it. So what's next on GU? I'll be back to analyze it. But for now, next level target for GU is this level. There's nothing is stopping us from reaching this area. Next level target this area. Once you can if we get to this area, analyze it. I will be back to reanalyze again. But for now, the next level target for pounds USD is 1.32000. EU should check EU. Next level target for EU should be around this area. Okay, I think. Alright, I'll be back, guys, because I think I'm seeing something on EU. I'm seeing something on EU. I'm seeing something on EU, but I need the market to actually tell me, confirm, give me some confirmations before moving to the upside. Guys, I'll be back. USDCD is enough for us today. USDCD, G pound CHF. I'll be back maybe next week, or yes, I'll be back next week. Next week Friday. Next week Friday for a third section. I'll be back for a third session. So I'll be back for USDC. I'll be analyzing EU. I'll be analyzing pound pairs and JPY pairs, and I will also analyze Bitcoin. Let's check what's happening on Bitcoin. What's happening? I don't understand. So guys, the reason I don't analyze like everything for you guys is I actually come here to give you guys the easiest, simplest, like the most, like the sure ones. You get the sure ones. I don't want to analyze or come here to start analyzing complex or giving you guys complex signals or trade entries. That's why I brought out the simple ones and the easy ones for you guys. GBP, pound CHF, and USD CAD. So like I said, wait for a weekly candle close below. I'll be back to show you guys what to do. Wait for a weekly candle below. Look for some consolidation. Wait for some consolidation. Sell pound CHF. Wait for a counter trend line break, or wait for a break below this area and sell. So it's same thing. Thank you guys for staying to the end of this video. I'm grateful. Hey, shit, I'm not telling you. You guys should like, share this video to your forex trade, to your community, and also do well to click the subscribe button, and also turn on the post notification. Yeah, just click that bell icon, and also yes, subscribe, click the bell icon, and I'll be back for more. So yes, I'll be back for more, guys.